Okay. I can make it.
I can force it. I'm gonna make it go in. I'm gonna make it slide.
Alright, sweet. I know it might be a little hard to tell, but they all fit. Or at least the ones I brought. I still have a few more, but I can at least now put this new paneling on this frame right here. I know it's a little hard to see, but still got to put that paneling on. But once I do, I now have a few, I can start doing this. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. I know this channel's kind of all over the place. I guess I'll do this. Channel's all over the place. I'm still kind of figuring it out. But yeah, that's just kind of it. Alright. Hasta mañana.